Hello, my students. Today is Monday, 3rd August 2020. The topic is Journey to the West. And you need, please, the reader book. Okay, not a student book, no, reader book. Performance, understanding history fiction. Activity, answer and comprehension question, page 32 to 34. Okay, I need that you copy that, please. The activity for today is first we watch this video and then we answer one question. Okay, we start. John loved exploring his grandma's attic. The attic is the place of the house on the top. Okay, the attic. He is John, and he and she is the grandma. And John loved exploring his grandma's attic. Continue. One day, he found an old photograph of two men, one and two men who were standing side by side. Standing, when you say stand up, standing side by side. Okay? Continue. Grandma Kate, she's the grandma. He asked, Grandma Kate, who are these people? John asked. John asked the grandma, who are these people? These people. Okay? Continue. She examined or watched the picture. She examined the picture. Okay. Continue. No, wait for me. Here. Okay, continue. That's my great, great, great grandfather. The father of the father of the father, okay? The great, great, great grandfather. Matthew Bennett and his brother Charlie. Matthew Bennett and his brother Charlie. They found this town, the town, okay, small city, in 1842. When they come here for Missouri. Our family has been here since then. Okay, since, look, present perfect. Our family has been here since then. Okay. Haven't you heard the story? Haven't you heard? Listen the story. Okay. This is como cuando yo digo, no lo has escuchado, voy negando, no lo has escuchado, no has escuchado la historia. Remember, present perfect. No, please tell me the story, John said. Grandma Wait for me one moment. Grandma Kate cleared her throat and began. The throat, when you say yes, clear the throat and began. In the 1840s, many people went to the western United States. This is the map of the United States, and this is north, south, east, west. Many people went to the west, okay? There were few people or towns there. Look, the people here and go. Continue. The land, la tierra, the land was free. Era gratis, okay? The land was free, so everyone want a piece. You like, for example, you go to the United States in this part. Oh, it's mine this part, and I arrive, okay? It's free. Todos querían un lugar para, porque era gratis. Okay, continue. Including Natalie, who lived with his wife Louisa. This is the grandfather, including his wife Louisa and son Peter, Peter, in Missouri. They live in Missouri and they want to go to the west. He said, "We are going west," Natalie announced one night. Okay, at 9, no in the morning, no afternoon, at 9, one day, he said, "We are going west. We are going, the family, we are going west." Natalian, this is the town we were born, Loaiza said. She said, ella dijo, Natalian, this is the town, okay, the town is Missouri. This is the town down where we were born, donde nacimos. Ella no está como muy de acuerdo. Este es el lugar donde nosotros nacimos, le dice. Why would we leave? Why, remember? Reason, pregunto una razón. Why would we leave? Nosotros tenemos que irnos. ¿Por qué? Why? We will, this is the future, we will have a bigger farm, a small farm, no bigger farm, and more opportunities, Natalian explained. The father said, in the West, we have a more bigger farm, farm with animal, and more opportunities, Natalian explained. Louisa eventually agreed, okay, and Natalia prepared for the journey. Agree. Remember the opposite is disagree. No, I am here, I don't move here. No. Louisa say, okay, and Natalia, he prepared for the journey. for the to travel. Nathaniel's brother Charlie was coming too, along with his wife and 5 children. Oh, it's a lot of people. Look, yeah, not only this family, no, the brother, Nathaniel's brother, was coming too. Manair también, coming too, along with his wife and 5 children. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. The men spent the winter of 1840 building 3 wagons, look, 1, 2, and 3, that were covered, like this, covered, with cabins, look that, and wooden bottoms and wheels. This wheel, I know we can, the wheels, las ruedas, okay, the wheels. In March, oh, I'm sorry. In March 1842, they loaded the wagons with clothes, furniture, seeds for the new farm, wagons, parts, tools, and food, beans, rice, ham, coffee, flour, and dried fruit. Okay, look. The furniture, chairs, table, seats of an apple, seeds, a small part of the fruit, okay? Seeds for the new farm, or seeds for trees, or fruits, or vegetables, and wagons parts, tools, herramientas, and food, beans, rice, ham, coffee, delicious coffee, flowers, and dry fruit. Dry fruit is without water. Okay? Continue. They left in April. In April. The Bennets led the group in a group with a big group. Charlie drive. Espérate que I lost way for the Charlie drive, el pasado de manejar. Charlie drive the second wagon. This is the second. He is Charlie, and his oldest son drove the third. Okay. This is and his oldest son drove the third. Okay. They all in a group. Okay, my student, this is the activity in this moment. And you please answer these questions. Okay, the activity for today is that you answer the comprehension questions. They are the page. You open your book, the reader book, on page 32, 33, 34, and answer who are the men in the old photograph. Why did people move to the western United States in the 1840s? What did the men do to prepare for the journey? Okay.